Ready to launch a professional storefront in just about 60 seconds? Let's dive in and see how. You know that mess of links for bookings, payments, and socials? Yeah, it gets pretty chaotic, right? Well, we're going to replace all that chaos with just one single link that works for you 24/7. Okay, first things first. From your dashboard, just tap on My Services to get started. Adding a service is super simple. Name it, describe it, pick a type, and set the price. Here's where you pop in all the details. Just fill the screen out for each service you offer. And boom, all your services show up here, looking sharp and ready for your clients to book. Step 2, set your availability. This is your new 24/7 assistant. Seriously, no more back and forth. You're in complete control here. Go ahead and set your exact work hours for every single day. Plus, it auto-syncs with your personal calendar and sends out automated reminders to your clients. So smart. Yeah, no more WhatsApp madness. Clients book and pay themselves. You just have to show up. And just like that, in 2 simple steps, your storefront is live and ready for business. So now your clients get everything they need all in one clean, professional spot. Easy peasy. And get this, no more chasing payments. Clients pay you right when they book. It's that easy. And here's the best part, 0%. Yup. 0 platform commission. You keep everything you earn. So your new storefront is all set. The only question is, who are you going to share it with first?